Hey, this is Barrett, Engineering Manager for CorkSport Mazda Performance. Today I'm proud to announce the CorkSport Coolant Reservoir for the second generation Mazda 3, Mazdaspeed 3, and the first generation Mazda 3. Have you been looking for an alternative to replace that yellow eyesore of an OE coolant tank in your engine bay? CorkSport is now offering an option that is much sleeker, will look great, and tie in with your engine bay. As some of you may know, several years ago CorkSport did offer a coolant reservoir. However, it was discontinued. But recently, with all the strong interest in this product, we brought it back up, redesigned it, and made it better than before. The coolant reservoir was redesigned from the ground up to incorporate an internal baffle system to optimize coolant flow in and out of the tank. This way you don't need to compromise when upgrading to a better looking reservoir. You have the peace of mind it's performing like OEM. The coolant reservoir comes pre-coated in a wrinkle black powder coat finish and high quality barb fittings that allow for a sight glass. This way you can keep an eye on your coolant levels instead of guessing like some other tanks. Whenever you need to fill up, we simplified that process by moving to a traditional style radiator cap, bumped this up to a 1.5 bar, and then maintained all the OEM mounting locations. All you need to do is drop it in and bolt it down. The CorkSport Coolant Reservoir also maintains all the factory sized barbs, so your OE or upgraded silicone coolant hoses will connect just like OE and use the OE clamps. Every coolant reservoir is pressure checked to 1.5 bar pressure to verify that the tank is sealed and ready for your cooling system. Combine that with color step-by-step install instructions and awesome technical support from the CorkSport staff, this really is a complete package. Thanks for taking the time to check out the new and improved CorkSport Coolant Reservoir. Make sure to subscribe and stay in the know. This is Barrett, tuning out.